Not quite as cold tonight as cloud cover starts to work its way in. That's going to keep us into the 40s heading into tomorrow morning, but something we'll be tracking tomorrow is more rainfall. Those showers start to move in right around sunrise. You're going to need the umbrella throughout the entire day. Showers and storms start to exit by around 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow night, but we could end up with a few snow showers on the backside of this system. In fact, it's going to be tracking some wintry impacts across the upper Midwest where there are winter's weather advisories and winter storm warnings in effect across parts of Nebraska, Iowa, and into Minnesota. On the colder side of this system, cold front starts to move in tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to bring us that chance for a few storms. But we'll see some showers ahead of that. Temperatures in the morning start out in the 40s. Showers start to become more widespread as we get into the latter part of the day. As we get closer to that front moving in, we're going to be seeing temperatures getting up into the upper 50s as winds start to pick up from the south. Could see a chance for a few storms by around 3 or 4 o'clock. Not expecting any severe weather, but we could see wind gusts up to around 30 or 35 miles per hour and some heavy downpours along with lightning as that system pulls through. On the other side of the system is colder air. You'll notice by 10 o'clock, some of us west of Highway 63 dropping down to right around the freezing mark. So any lingering precipitation could change over to some light snow. Not expecting much accumulation with that. In fact, it's going to move out by the time we get to around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. It's well off to the east or dissipated, but we are left with some cold temperatures for Friday morning as we're dropping down into the 20s. Friday to end the week on our St. Patrick's Day, it's going to be chilly and breezy. Our winds will be picking up from the northwest. We're staying right around 40 degrees, and it gets even cooler for the weekend. Here's the snow tracker. Likely going to see a dusting in a couple spots, especially west of Highway 63 and north of I-70. Doesn't stick around too long. I'm not expecting road impacts, but Friday is going to be cold for St. Patrick's Day. Even by noon, we're still in the 30s. High temperature struggling to get to 40 with that northwest breeze. And I wanted to show you the wind chills that we're expecting over the next few days. Friday morning, some spots could feel like about 11 degrees. Could have some locations that drop down into the upper single digits for that feels like temperature on Saturday and Sunday mornings. The good news is I'll be tracking a bit of a warm up into next week. We're finally back into the upper 40s by Monday. By Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll be tracking highs in the 50s with our next chance of rain potentially by Wednesday night.